Hi, welcome to this video. For this edition, something completely different. Today we're going to do some AI storytelling. So for today I was thinking, let's do some storytelling. Why not find some ways to explain Agile in a real life situation? Let me quickly explain what the idea is. Generate some storytelling that explains Agile in a real life scenario. So I'm pretty excited about a video from another YouTuber all about AI. So what you see here, this is the video that inspired me. It's from All About AI. I will place the link in the description. So thank you, Chris, for having this video. It really inspired me. ChatGPT for the script and synopsis generation, Midjourney for image generation. Don't forget ElevenLabs for some awesome narrator audio. Yeah, let's break it down. So where I started is to brainstorm 20 niches, popular niches on LinkedIn about agile product development and IT architecture. So I picked one of those for a new prompt for ChatGPT. And this is what you see here. You're a creative researcher and writer. You're writing engaging explanation videos about agile software development practices. So this is the thing I chose from the list before. Think outside the box, be creative and brainstorm 10 video ideas for LinkedIn that can be 60 seconds to 5 minutes long. So this is basically what I got. Yeah, relate agile concept to everyday scenarios like cooking or planning a road trip to help viewers understand how agile principles can be applied beyond the workplace. So this is what I picked. So let's dive into the next prompt. You write engaging explanation videos about a particular synopsis for short videos. So here you see the synopsis I chose earlier. And the next instruction is to write a story for me, 60 seconds to 5 minutes long. No dialogue, just tell the story. This is what I got from the narrator voice. We are going to use this in ElevenLabs. So basically what I did is pick up the story, use ElevenLabs, and you have great voices, so go check it out. It's really interesting to see what you can do. You see the tags, American voice, British voice, deep voice, calm voice, whispering voice. It's all there. So this basically is going to give you audio, right? So the next thing is to come up with pictures. Taking out some keywords to make the stills. Culinary road trip. I was thinking a road and a restaurant, late night, so it's already evening. Meet Chef Alice. So this is where I started to generate a character for me. It's a nice Dutch girl I chose. And from that moment, the trick is to vary on the first image you get. So this is not the first image I get. This is already Alice as a chef cook. But think about a portrait photo closely to this to first get your face throughout the story. And from that picture, you're going to vary strong in Midjourney to get other shots from Alice. Eventually, she's proud of what she reached. So here you have to be a bit creative. So as you see, I make a mix of the story I try to tell from Chef Alice, who's going to prepare a delicious meal. And she has to adapt because she's missing some key ingredients. So enough talking, let's go to the video.
Ever wondered how agile concepts can be applied beyond the workplace? Let's take a culinary road trip and find out. Meet Chef Alice. She's preparing a special dinner party tonight. She starts with a traditional recipe, just like a project plan. But as she cooks, she realizes she's missing a key ingredient. No time to go shopping. What does she do? Chef Alice adapts. She looks in her pantry and fridge, finding substitutes, just like agile teams adapt to changing requirements. As she cooks, she tastes and adjusts, making sure the dish is perfect. Agile teams continuously review and adapt their work, just like Chef Alice. Guests arrive, and they love the meal. Chef Alice's adaptability created a delightful experience. After the meal, Chef Alice reflects on her agile cooking process, always ready to improve. And that's how agile principles, like adaptability and collaboration, can turn any endeavor, even cooking, into a success.
So let me know what you think about this experiment. Should I do this more in the future to play a bit on Fridays? Let me know. So thank you for watching and see you next time.